तुमने खाना खाया? Did you have food? Did you have food? हाँ मैंने खाना खाया. Yes, I had food. Yes, I had food. मैंने खाना नहीं खाया. I didn't have food. I didn't have food. तुमने क्या खाया? What did you eat? What did you eat? मैंने एक चाय का कप लिया. I took a cup of tea. I took a cup of tea. मैंने खाने के लिए कुछ नहीं लिया. I didn't take anything for food. I didn't take anything for food. क्या तुम खा रहे हो? Are you eating? Are you eating? हाँ मैं खा रहा हूँ. Yes, I am eating. Yes, I am eating. तुम क्या खा रहे हो? What are you eating? What are you eating? मैं सेब खा रहा हूँ. I'm eating an apple. I'm eating an apple. क्या तुम खेले? Did you play? Did you play? हाँ मैं खेला. Yes, I played. Yes, I played. तुम क्या खेले? What did you play? What did you play? मैं क्रिकेट खेला. I played cricket. I played cricket. तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? मैं प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ. I'm doing practice. I am doing practice. क्या तुम समझ चुके हो? Have you got it? Have you got it? हाँ मैं समझ चुका हूँ. Yes, I have got it. Yes, I have got it. तुम्हें क्या मिला है? What have you got? What have you got? तुम्हें क्या मिला? What did you get? What did you get? मुझे सब कुछ मिल चुका है. I have got everything. I have got everything. क्या वो स्कूल जा चुका है? Has he gone to school? Has he gone to school? हाँ वो स्कूल जा चुका है. Yes, he has gone to school. Yes, he has gone to school. वो स्कूल कब गया? When he went to school. When he went to school. वो आधा घंटा पहले स्कूल गया. He went to school half an hour ago. He went to school half an hour ago. क्या तुम नहाए? Did you take a bath? Did you take a bath? हाँ मैं नहाया. Yes, I took a bath. Yes, I took a bath. तुम कब नहाए? When did you take a bath? When did you take a bath? मैं 7 बजे नहाया. I took a bath at 7 o'clock. I took a bath at 7 o'clock. क्या तुमने मुझे गाली दी? Did you abuse me? Did you abuse me? नहीं मैंने तुम्हें गाली नहीं दी. No, I didn't abuse you. No, I didn't abuse you. तुम कहाँ से हो? Where are you from? Where are you from? मैं पुणे से हूँ. I am from Pune. I'm from Pune. क्या तुम्हारे पास फ़ोन है? Do you have a phone? Do you have a phone? हाँ मेरे पास फ़ोन है. Yes, I have a phone. Yes, I have a phone. क्या तुम रोज़ व्यायाम करते हो? Do you exercise every day? Do you exercise every day? हाँ मैं रोज़ व्यायाम करता हूँ. Yes, I do exercise every day. Yes, I do exercise every day. तुम कहाँ व्यायाम करते हो? Where do you exercise? Where do you exercise? मैं घर पर व्यायाम करता हूँ. I do exercise at home. I do exercise at home. क्या तुम इसे जानते हो? Do you know it? Do you know it? नहीं, मैं इसे नहीं जानता. No, I don't know it. No, I don't know it. हाँ, मैं इसे जानता हूँ. Yes, I know it. Yes, I know it. तुम इसे कैसे जानते हो? How do you know it? How do you know it? मैंने ये अपनी मम्मी से सुना था. I heard it from my mother. I heard it from my mother. क्या तुम पढ़ाई करते हो? Do you study? Do you study? हाँ, मैं रोज़ पढ़ाई करता हूँ. Yes, I study every day. Yes, I study every day. तुम क्या पढ़ाई करते हो? What do you study? What do you study? मैं अंग्रेज़ी सीख रहा हूँ. I'm learning English. I am learning English. क्या तुमने पढ़ाई की? Did you study? Did you study? हाँ, मैंने अपनी पढ़ाई की. Yes, I did my study. Yes, I did my study. क्या तुम कोशिश कर रहे हो? Are you trying? Are you trying? हाँ, मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. Yes, I am trying. Yes, I am trying. कोशिश करते रहो. Keep trying. Keep trying. क्या तुम सुबह जल्दी उठते हो? Did you get up early in the morning? हाँ, मैं जल्दी उठता हूँ. Yes, I got up early. Yes, I got up early. क्या तुमने दूध लिया? Did you take milk? Did you take milk? हाँ, मैंने दूध लिया. Yes, I took milk. Yes, I took milk. क्या तुम कालेवाड़ी पर रहते हो? Do you live at कालेवाड़ी? Do you live at कालेवाड़ी? नहीं, मैं शिवाजी नगर में रहता हूँ. No, I live at शिवाजी नगर. No, I live at शिवाजी नगर. मैं पुणे में रहता हूँ. I live in पुणे. I live in पुणे. क्या तुम कल आओगे? Will you come tomorrow? Will you come tomorrow? हाँ, मैं आऊँगा. Yes, I will come. Yes, I will come.